All right, let's take a look at one more problem. It's going to be number 7, and that reads, pennies are coins worth 1 cent, nickels are coins worth 5 cents, dimes 10 cents, and quarters 25 cents. Lynn has plenty of each type of coin. How many different groups of coins can Lynn make with a total value of 30 cents? For example, one possible group is 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 5 pennies. So to figure this out, we're going to make a chart or a table. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick the number of quarters, dimes, and nickels, right? And then all of the rest of the cents have to come from pennies, right? Because there's no other way to do it. And the reason we know that we can do this is because we're told that Lynn has plenty of each coin, which essentially means that Lynn has large amounts of all of these coins, more than enough to make 30 cents. So let's take a look. Well, if we have 1 quarter, right? If we have 1 quarter, then we can't have any dimes because a quarter is already 25 and a dime would put us to 35, which is over. Well, we need 5 more cents. So we could have 1 nickel, or I could alternatively also have 0 nickels and use the rest as pennies. Now, what happens if I don't have any quarters? If I have no quarters, then that means I can have up to 3 dimes. If I have 3 dimes, then I have nothing of the other 2, right? Because that's already 30 cents. But if I have 2 dimes, then I can have 0, 1, or 2 nickels. And then depending on which one I pick, I will have 10, 5, or 0 pennies. And then if I have 1 dime, right, that gives us 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 nickels, since we need 20 more cents. And depending on which one of those I choose, I can have those 5 choices for the number of pennies. And then finally, if I have no quarters or dimes, then how many ways can I choose the nickels? I can go anywhere from 0 to 6 nickels, and then the rest of the coins will simply be pennies, right? So if I have no nickels, then I'll have 30 pennies. But if I have 6 nickels, then I'll have 0 pennies. And we have all of the multiples of 5 pennies in between as well. So how many total ways are there to make 30 cents? Well, there's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, right? And then we add 3, 5, and 7 cases. So adding up all of these ways gives us 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which added together is 18 ways to make 30 cents using quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies in large quantities. So our answer to target 7 is 18.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.